Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Cheyenne HAWK Pen Unio. The Unio is the culmination of Cheyenne's popular range of hawk tattoo machines, taking inspiration from its predecessors. So let's take a closer look. The Cheyenne HAWK Pen Unio combines the hawk spirit's fine filling and soft shading abilities with the bold lining and powerful colour packing of the HAWK Thunder, all wrapped up in the marker pen shape of the renowned HAWK pen. This Cheyenne rotary tattoo machine offers continuously adjustable stroke from 2.5 to 4mm, which is similar to the HAWK Spirit and Thunder respectively. There are also two additional lock-in positions between the 3 and 3.5mm stroke marks, which you can easily identify by the semicircular scaling here. You can set the positions between the lock-in settings as well if desired. No matter what your tattooing style is, by simply turning the stroke adjustment of the HAWK Pen Unio, you'll get the exact power you need for the piece you're working on. Switching between different stroke lengths has never been easier. With a wide stitch frequency bandwidth from 60 to 140 Hz, the Cheyenne HAWK Pen Unio is perfect for a wide range of tattooing styles. In addition, the inclusion of steady mode offers constant force and stitch frequency in all tattooing situations. This rotary machine is compatible with Cheyenne type cartridges, and you can steplessly adjust the needle depth from 0 to 4mm. Also remember to make sure you readjust the needle depth every time you adjust the stroke length. The HAWK Pen Unio has a removable grip fixture for simple cleaning, while its pen style shape makes it easier to cover up and wrap for hygiene purposes. For those who prefer disposable grip options, this rotary is compatible with all three Cheyenne D grips: long, 1 inch and round. As you can see here, the machine features a movable jack connection that ensures maximum freedom of movement, while an innovative jack cage provides optimum protection for your plug connection. You can also be sure that the tattoo pen won't roll off your workstation, thanks to its anti-roll design that is most prominent here. In terms of servicing, the previously mentioned removable grip fixture will allow you to access and clean the drive ram as and when it's needed. To do so, completely unscrew the grip from the drive. Then use the supplied service wrench or an identical tool to loosen the grip mount and remove it. You can use a cotton swab to clean the protruding drive ram and adjacent surfaces, but please ensure that no liquid penetrates into the machine. When finished, place the clean grip mount back on the machine, making sure that the nose on the guide sleeve dips into the recess on the body and that the surfaces are flush with each other. This is the only way to set the needle depth correctly afterwards. Then carefully tighten the grip mount again by hand tightening the set screw, as too much force may cause permanent damage to the thread and machine. Now you're good to go. As well as a robust Cheyenne transport case, the HAWK Pen Unio comes with a 24-month manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. Manufactured in Germany according to medical standard, the Cheyenne HAWK Pen Unio is available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of this Cheyenne rotary? Will the HAWK Pen Unio be your next tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.